Hello everybody, welcome to Denshine's video. Denshine is a professional website for dental supply. We offer free shipping for most devices like handpiece, curing light, and dental loops. So welcome to visit our main page to get more information. Today we'll introduce a cool dental handpiece to you. Yeah, this one. First of all, let's look at its package. It includes a E-type air motor with 4 holes, which is used for driving the handpiece. Here is an external water pipe to ensure the handpiece is airtight. This is a straight-nose cone. It's mainly used to polish the teeth. The cone could be dismounted in this way. Just pull it out. And this is the Contra angle handpiece, which could be installed to the motor in the same way. Look at its natural curve. It's so beautiful and really a great ergonomic handpiece. More importantly, the whole set is made by stainless steel linchman, and the bearing adopts an oily structure to extend its life. Meanwhile, the device is so quiet when it's working. In this way, your dentist could focus more attention on patient's teeth. And about this one, water-free nozzle. It's used for connecting the water pipe. There is a cap spanner here, and this is the English manual. That's all about this video. If you want to know more about this handpiece, for example, its detailed parameter, please visit our website immediately. Thanks very much for your watching. Bye bye.